So Maria, when you go to print this document, what you want to do is you go ahead and hit the print button like you normally would. The dialog button comes up that allows you to send to your printer. But in this case, as opposed to just sending it to the printer destination, I would click on More Settings and print it using the System Dialog, which will give you a little more options as opposed to just from Chrome. And if you open that up, it'll send it over to the System Dialog box. And then in which case then we'll have a few more options that we can then make things. So a System Dialog box, it's going to the printer, only want to be one side. But right here, for the layout orientation, you can actually scale this. And so you might want to try scaling it maybe 90 or 95% of the thing. You can also do, I think it's just probably the best way is just to scale it. I think would be probably the best way. And by scaling it, it's going to shrink it down a little bit, but it'll fit into your area that you need. So then hit print and you should be good. I would test it with 1 or 2 pages to make sure, and then you can go to larger pages. It's just this area over here is really, really tight, and that's probably where it's cutting off. It's just for some reason it's on the side there. You can edit the document, but we only have view only access. So this is probably the best way. Give it a shot. Thanks.